see you later.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, do well to hit the red subscribe button. So today I'm about to take you to one of the best student accommodation right here in Newcastle. If you are not living in this place, I don't just know where you are living right now. I love this place because it's close to Newcastle University, it's close to Northumbria University and the city center. I believe you're going to love this place. So, are you ready now? Are you ready now? Let's go! Knoll Court is an in-suite student residence in Newcastle, just a stone throw away from the thriving city centre and quayside, which offers a range of independent shops, bars, clubs and restaurants. You'll be just 4 minutes walk from Northumbria University's Business and Law School, 10 minutes from the city campus, and 15 minutes stroll away from the prestigious Newcastle University. Guys, they organize a lot of social events here and they made this cake which I had one after creating this content. So I met Joe. Joe was a really cool guy and he showed me around this lovely accommodation. So Joe, what is so spectacular about this accommodation?
Well, obviously I'd say quite a lot, but yeah, so Knoll Court's brilliant accommodation. It's a great location in terms of both the city centre, the quayside and the university. We were super close to all and we're very lucky with that. We've got some brilliant facilities, so a brilliant gym on site, common room, and our rooms are a really good size and a great value for money. But for me, I think the best thing is, you know, we really try and get to know all the students here. We know a lot of people by first name.
Okay.
A lot of people choose to rebook with us because they enjoy living here. And we really try and make some really sort of memorable experiences and a brilliant time at university.
Okay, how can a student book this place? Can they book from other countries or they have to be in the UK?
Loads of ways you can book. Obviously you can get in touch with us directly and our contact numbers are easily available online. We've got our own website, so thestudenthousingcompany.com,
okay.
And then you can search for our location as you can for other locations in the UK and Ireland. And then other than that, we also work with some very sort of well-known booking agents, student.com, University Living, Amber Student, to name a few. So yeah, loads of ways to book, and we're always here to help in any way we can.
All right, thank you. Let's have a tour of this place right now.
Please do, let's go.
Time
lost time. No room for darkness to take place. Calling for the light. In the mystery of life. Oh, every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
So guys, to book this place is very simple. All you need to do is to hop over to this affiliate link. I'll put the link in the description box. You fill the form and you hit submit. Voila! Amber student will respond within 1 hour and you can let them know that you want to secure a room in Knoll Court. They also have rooms in other locations in case you are in Birmingham, London, Sunderland or Scotland. Wherever you are, there's a room for you. So Amber Student is a platform through which students can book accommodation near their universities. They are currently operational in 100+ cities in Australia, the whole of European countries and the United States. Wow! So what are you waiting for? So for now, I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace! Boom!
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.